Here's some times that huge artists lost the Grammy for Best New Artist and who they lost to. First up is when Britney Spears lost the award to Christina Aguilera in 2000. I think they were both deserving of this award, but everyone would probably agree that Britney had more success than Christina in the years following. Next is when Taylor Swift lost to Amy Winehouse in 2007. Amy definitely should have won this award because her career was blowing up a lot at the time, probably more than Taylor's. Plus, Taylor eventually had her moments as she has won a total of 11 Grammys. Next is when both Justin Bieber and Drake lost to Esperanza Spalding in 2010. This one honestly surprises me the most because the Grammys typically give this award to people who have recently reached mainstream status. But Esperanza Spalding is a jazz artist who no one really knows about. Next is in 2011 when Nicki Minaj lost the award to Bon Iver. Nicki actually commented on this in 2020. She said, "Never forget the Grammys didn't give me my Best New Artist award when I had 7 songs simultaneously charting on Billboard and bigger first week than any female rapper in the last decade. Went on to inspire a generation. They gave it to the white man, Bon Iver. Hashtag Pink Friday." And let's be honest, she spilled. Next is when both Ed Sheeran and Kendrick Lamar lost the award to Macklemore and Ryan Lewis in 2014. Ed Sheeran is currently the most listened to artist on Spotify, and Kendrick Lamar recently performed at the Super Bowl halftime show. And where are Macklemore and Ryan Lewis? No one really knows. They went on a hiatus and kind of fell off. Next up is last year when Doja Cat lost the award to Megan Thee Stallion. Don't get me wrong, I'm so happy that Megan won this award, but at the same time, Doja Cat won nothing last year, so I wish the Grammys at least would have given her this one.
Vogue. This is what I want to see! This is what I want to see! This is what I want to see!
Or they could do a wild card and just pick an album that no one expected to win, like these first 2 albums on the list. I wouldn't be surprised if they win.
I told you. Are you surprised? Because I'm not. The Grammys are notorious for awarding the person that no one expects to win. Another great example was in 2011 when Arcade Fire won over Teenage Dream, Born This Way, Recovery by Eminem, and I think a Lady Antebellum album. Basically, no one was expecting them to win, just like with John last night. Even though I had a feeling that he was going to win, this was still my face, and I'm sure a lot of you guys made this face as well.
I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking awesome. I'm gonna pop some tags, only got $20 in my pocket. I'm hunting, looking for a come up. This is fucking
Guys, I cannot believe it. Taylor actually showed up to the Grammys. She looks so good.
Lover. The bigger the suit, the bigger the pockets. Not hot. I like the pink beanie though. Yeah. My guy'll set you up with a nice fitted bomber jacket, okay? Call me Justin.
Who's approved Travis would wear this.
What? How'd you guys get that picture of me in 2nd grade, huh?
If this were The Apprentice, okay, I would have to say, you're fired. So this fashion now, huh? I guess time's really all tough.
Ew, Uncommon James would never.
Yeah, baby, there's my girl Kendall on the red carpet, looking great. I guess that's the style these days. Ah, that's kind of ugly, like it's too big.
You know what this means! You know! Jumpin' that! Summon that bitch! Take him to the party, he's a nerd! Pop out! I ain't seen niggas hit corners in the mouth.
Delia Cat running from the bathroom to accept her Grammy.
Grammy gift bag that all the presenters and performers are getting backstage at the Grammys this year. My name is Rachel, and I produce gift bags for a lot of the major red carpet award shows. And right now, we're in LA preparing for the Grammys. And this year, all the presenters and performers are going home with these 2 huge gift bags with items ranging from food, alcohol, snacks, robes, skincare, beauty. This is the official Grammy gift bag. Follow me for a behind-the-scenes look at what's going in the gift bag, who's getting them, and more.
Album of the year. It's either Happier Than Ever, Justice, or Planet Her. Those are the only ones I will be accepting tonight.
And the Grammy goes to... Oh my goodness gracious. We are John Baptiste.
He's confused. He's literally confused.
What?
What?
Okay, I'm very confused. Like, no hate to him, but like, I've never heard of this person, ever.
His song slapped though when he performed it.
What?
Photo shoot. Roger. Fuck that bitch, try to put the free on it. Let's put the free on it.
We went to the bathroom for 5 minutes. Are you serious? I have never taken such a fast piss in my whole life. Glad you made it back in time. I like to downplay a lot of shit, but this is it's a big deal. Damn. Thank you, everybody.
Did you get up and walk in those heels?
Necessity. No, that's just, I don't know, just the power of God. And I was trying to get there because I didn't want Doja to miss her award either, so I was just trying to hold the place.
What happened and how are you doing?
I fell out the bed. It sounds foolish, but I fell out the bed. But like when you're already asleep, your cognition is not where it should be. So I couldn't like catch myself the way that I should. I'm clumsy.
He just keeps flicking him, flicking him, flicking him, flicking him, flicking him.
Out there, bobbing freely. Stiff wear.
Welcome back to part 2 of Rating the Grammys Fashion. Let's get into it. Wait, hold on. I hope y'all is following me. Y'all better not be using me for your entertainment, but follow the account and comment who had your favorite outfit and who had the worst outfit tonight. Doja Cat understood the assignment. She looks like she's going to the Grammys. She looks beautiful. Let's get into the detail of this purse, the nails, the jewelry. It's like, who wanted to piss me off the most tonight? I think that this is a mess. It looks better here, but like, this is what you decided to serve last night. Why didn't you serve this today? Thank you, Snow Allegra, for doing right. Billy looked like she mad at me for saying that she looked like Eli from Degrassi. I'm so sick of everybody wearing these damn glasses on the carpet. Please throw them Inspector Gadget shits away. And that goes for you too, her. I don't like this either, but congratulations on your award. He looks like he's wearing Kris Jenner's coat. She looks confused. I love you, Trevor. Good night, everybody.